Section 1. A mountain's unseen tremor, the quiet onset of landslides. In the majestic and sprawling expanse of the Himalayas, a constant and often silent threat looms over the communities nestled within its folds. This danger is the landslide, a sudden, devastating movement of earth, rock, and debris. Today, on October 21st, 2025, the issue remains as pressing as ever. It is reshaping the very landscapes that people call home. The problem is not merely geological, it is human. Entire villages, vital roadways, and precious agricultural lands can be swept away in moments. Livelihoods vanish with the soil. Understanding is the first step towards safer homes and resilient communities. A river of mud can sever communication lines, isolate communities, and even dam life-giving rivers. Such blockages often trigger catastrophic flash floods. Risk is a daily reality, intensified by heavy downpours or distant tremors. Beyond infrastructure, the losses undermine local economies. Across the vast Himalayan arc, from Afghanistan to Myanmar, the peril is immense and growing. This is one of the planet's most tectonically active regions, inherently susceptible to landslides. Climate shifts and increasing human activity turn a dynamic hazard into a growing crisis. Section 2. The roots of the problem, unpacking the causes. To find solutions, we must understand the intricate factors that drive Himalayan landslides. First, the mountains themselves. Geologically young, rising, and steep. Steepness increases gravitational pull on weak materials, priming slopes to fail. Even small disturbances can escalate into large slides. Water is pivotal. Prolonged rain saturates slopes, adds weight, and reduces friction. Water acts as a lubricant, enabling soil and rock to slip. A single extreme storm can trigger cascades of failure. Climate change brings more erratic, intense rainfall. Human activity accelerates risk. Deforestation for agriculture, fuel, and timber removes root networks. A forested slope is reinforced. A cleared slope is exposed. Undercutting removes natural support and destabilizes the mass above. Poorly planned development creates new hazards. Frequent earthquakes, driven by the Indian plate colliding with Eurasia, shake loose weak, fractured materials. Even small tremors can trigger slides that send millions of tons of debris downhill. Weak geology, seismicity, and intense rainfall form the perfect storm. Understanding these roots guides us toward practical, effective solutions. Section 3. Building resilience from the ground up. Practical solutions. A layered approach pairs simple local actions with larger initiatives. Reforestation and deforestation anchor slopes with native trees and grasses. Roots create an interlocking mesh, boosting shear strength and curbing erosion. Canopies intercept rainfall, reducing saturation. These fixes empower communities directly. Water management is critical. Well-designed drainage along roads and around settlements. Check dams and terracing slow flow allow infiltration and channel water safely. Preventing oversaturation removes the immediate trigger for slips. Low-tech, high-impact measures work. Bioengineering blends natural materials with simple construction. Low stone retaining walls buttress slope toes and add support. Geotextiles or jute netting hold soil while vegetation establishes. Gabion walls, wire cages filled with rock, reinforce roads and protect settlements. Early warning systems save lives. Combine scientific monitoring with community observation. Threshold rainfall triggers alerts sent to at-risk residents. GPS and inclinometers detect subtle ground movement, prompting timely evacuation. Success hinges on coordinated efforts, each stakeholder playing a connected role. Local communities hold generations of practical knowledge. Empower local leaders to organize planting, warnings, training, and evacuation drills. Scientists create hazard maps that guide land use decisions. Engineers design resilient roads, bridges, and buildings without undercutting slopes. Government sets policy, funds mitigation, installs monitoring, and enforces standards. NGOs bridge gaps, train communities, pilot low-cost solutions, and scale what works. Together they form the collective shield that protects Himalayan communities. In conclusion, the challenge is formidable, but not insurmountable. Clear causes demand clear action, rooted in prevention, not reaction. Practical, proven, and often simple fixes reduce risk now. Education, training, and early warning make communities the first line of defense. In 2025, let us commit to sustained, unified action, so these mountains remain a place of life, opportunity, and safety for generations.